Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm trying out the Context Nude Balm Duo that I have here in the shades All or Nothing and Hard Time. And this is a duo that I got in my January 2022 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. And I had actually never heard of this brand Context before, but I also got a lipstick in BoxyCharm this month, and I really liked that. So that lipstick review is up on my channel if you want to see other products from Context, but also my unbagging of my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is also on my YouTube channel here if you haven't seen it yet. So 2 full-size lip balms here, and I love lip balms, but I especially love some tinted lip balms to add moisture to my very dry lips, but also give some color to my lips because I love to wear lip color. And so this duo retails for $30, which I definitely think is expensive, especially for lip balms, which in my experience, you do not have to spend a lot of money to get a good lip balm. I like that these are infused with vitamin C, E, and plant extracts. It says like watermelon and rose. That sounds awesome. So let's start out with some swatches. This one is in the shade Hard Time and looks kind of red in the packaging here, but let's see what color it actually is. Ooh, that actually has some Good Color Payoff and a really nice, like, glides right on silky texture and formula. And then the shade All or Nothing. Ooh, this one looks like it's got a little sparkle to it, and maybe it's more of a brown shade. Ooh, that's really pretty too. In the swatch, I actually don't really see any sparkle. These both have some nice shine to them though, but in the packaging, it looks really beautiful and sparkly, like gold shimmer to it. But I'm actually kind of glad to see that it doesn't look like chunky glitter in the swatch. But I think I'm most intrigued to put this All or Nothing kind of brown, but not too brown, but slightly sparkly shade on my lips. I'm just very curious how this will look. Those are the swatches. You know what? I'm so curious to see how both of these are going to look, so maybe I'll try them both on. So first going in with the shade All or Nothing, and I like this packaging, the kind of smaller twist up stick. Let's see how it looks on my lips. Yeah, it's a very, like, glossy kind of lip balm. I feel like that's the best way for me to describe it. Like, it just slides on so quickly. Oh my gosh, wait. This also smells good. I'm getting like a fruity smell to it. Oh, that is nice. I love when my lip products have fun, nice smells to them. And this looks really pretty on the lips. It actually does look noticeably shimmery on my lips now. Not sure why I couldn't really tell in the swatch here, but just one swipe gives a beautiful kind of layer of very fine gold shimmer. And then I kind of want to just build it up a little bit more. Ooh. I think this would be a really pretty lip topper to add that little shimmer and a bit of shine and hydration onto a lip color. It is pretty on its own, but I feel like it just kind of looks like shimmer on my lips, not too much of a tint of color, but it's very moisturizing. It immediately got rid of any dryness on my lips, which I love to see in my moisturizing lip products. Like, I really like this texture. I really like this formula. I'm so excited about this product right now. Like, I love how it looks and feels on my lips right now, that I don't even want to take it off and put on the other one because I feel like that's a waste, but I am so excited to see how the other shade's gonna look on me. Okay, so I just removed that first lip balm, now going in with the shade called Hard Time. And this one I think is gonna show up with a little bit more color on my lips. Yes, it does, and you can see where I clearly applied it really messy and outside of my lip line. but it actually wipes away pretty easily. But yeah, this has some good noticeable tint of color. I feel like it gives a really kind of natural rosiness to the lips. It's like, it's almost too much of a tint of color where I feel like I'm so tempted to keep layering it up to get more of an opaque pigment based off of this color, because it's like halfway there, which is the point of it, but just my preference is I kind of want more if I'm already going this deep into a shade. But these formulas are so nice, so incredibly moisturizing and comfortable on the lips. It is such a like slippy, kind of glossy balm that I feel like it's going to come off pretty easily though with a lot of transfer. So let's see. Yeah, I mean, full kiss mark right there. And definitely came off a lot on my lips. And see, now I feel like I'm left with like what kind of looks like a lipstick that has just worn away after hours. Like, it's just not, it doesn't look intentional enough, if that makes sense, for this shade. So like, maybe I need to put that brown shimmer on top of this to make it, I don't know, like a little more something going on. Let's see. Yeah. I feel like that actually might be my favorite way to wear these two, is layer them together with the shimmery one on top of the red tone. And it really does kind of amp up the red a little bit more. I like how this color combination looks together a lot. And I love the smell of this. It kind of smells like peachy to me, like really yummy smell. And so moisturizing. I'm very picky about my lip products being moisturizing enough, and my lips are fully moisturized. They look a little smoothed out, less lines in my lips. So as far as lip balms go, these are so good. I have really been impressed by this brand Context. So I would love to hear if you have any other recommendations from this brand in the comments down below. And also, of course, I want to hear your thoughts on the lip balms if you've tried them out as well. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.